Excellency na Addo record na da no. Open break ya bebre.
Welcome to today's edition of the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Celebrity News TV page. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. As I say, it will take a very, very long time and it might be quite impossible for anyone to break their record on Akuffo. And the enukre. Esan say, where President Akuffo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia took this nation from to where it is today, I'm struggling to see anyone, especially seeing the fact say Abai Fufura Ebano Edadana is the same John Dramani Mahama that we knew, the same Okuyeto Ablakwa, the same Jinana Opokwajiman who supervised the no-choke syndrome, the same Setekpe who supervised Dumso, the same leaders of Kwabena Donko who couldn't do anything for the energy sector. So it's the same people that are coming back. Now, what Akuffo has been doing for the past 8 years for Ghana now, say ye loss, and I say Mra ewo that says say everyone just can go for 2 terms. I'm very sure Ghanaians will have been asking Akuffo to go for a 3rd term. Because Akuffo has really done well. Why ya dear papa? Nanado, why ya dear papa? Every year, Akuffo's government since 2017 has been spending not less than 3 billion Ghana cedis on free senior high school alone. 3 billion Ghana cedis on free senior high school. For the first time in our history, students were going to school without uniform. They were giving them uniform for free in the senior high school, giving them textbooks for free. To the extent, say a time came, they were giving them tablets for free. They were being fed for free. And more than 5.6 million children, Ghanaian children, have benefited from this policy alone. Who can break that record? Tell me, who can break that record? I doubt if there's any government that will come and break that record. One man came to power, Akuffo. Within 8 years, more than 120 factories have been established. More than 120 factories. Would you ever say one factory is even giving, let's say, both direct and indirect jobs about 500? Multiply that by 120 plus. Look at the number of people that Akuffo has employed. One person came to power, and about 4 years, 5 years, a backlog of nurses, midwives, public health nurses that were in the house were employed.
Ghana for you na so many kudi. Aya for yourself. Ba wo ben na wo mu yam na fu. Enti no oba. To beka to say ba na ya ni people no oboa. Me say kasa no beka. But we the moment reality no dey say nche kwa beba. It will done honest.
Why are you so cocksure said they cannot perform? Why?
They cannot.
Why?
Because His Excellency na Addo record na da no. Open so break ya bebre. And I want to miss one break.
But almost the record was nothing to write to. But in Ghana for to abetiamo.
Oh, Daddy, we are journalists. You have seen the record for yourself.
But now the economy is 7.2.
Yes. And
the growth.
Yes.
The GDP growth is 7.2. Oh, it's true. Inflation is 23.
His Excellency record no unbeatable.
Dollar is 14.
Yes. And
dollar is 14 now.
And Aden na obebusa our question say Aden na yetimi sustain free education is abekane.
One man came to power and more than 5 interchanges were built. One man came to power and salaries have been increased year after year after year. Even when there was COVID, global crisis and all those things, he was able to give free water, reduce electricity bill, cancel taxes that were not needed and all those things. That's one man. The effect of just one man. One man came to Ghana. Before he came, in the whole of Ghana, we had less than 6 functional astroturfs. And as he is leaving, exiting power, today we have in excess of 150 astroturfs. Just one man. One man was coming to power. The nation did not even have an effective ambulance system. Today, as that one man is living, we bought about 307 ambulances. One man came to power and was able to buy more than 5,000 motorbikes for the police service and about 1,000 vehicles for the police service. One man came to power and the police service of Ghana now has 3 helicopters, which they have never dreamt of. Built world-class standard accommodation for the police service. Tesano, Domiko Abenya, and all over. One man came to power and started Agenda 111, where we are building 100, they are building 111 facilities, out of which about 30 plus of them are ready and now have been commissioned and are working. One man came to power and there was security installation of cameras, security cameras all over this nation. Over 10,000 cameras installed all over this nation. A man came to power and there was drone delivery of medication. Drone delivery. So that moja and moja near around that drones can deliver it. Just one man over 8 years has been able to do this and many others, whilst bringing policies, changing the very facet of Ghanaian life, was able to implement an effective identification system. Ghana Card was able to link all the various services to digitally. You can apply for your passport online, you can apply for your TIN online, and all those things, reducing waiting time, reducing corruption. Who can break this record? Tell me. Who? Si John Mahama? Si Jenana Opoku-Agyemang? Who? The legacy of Akuffo cannot be undermined. And posterity will be very kind to Akuffo for taking an economy that was doing, that GDP was going around 3%, and going to hand over an economy that is doing about 7.2%. This same man, Akuffo, took an economy that was around 600 billion Ghana cedis to over 1 trillion Ghana cedis. Our international reserves is in the billions of dollars as we are speaking now. We are on an IMF program and we are doing quite well. World Bank, IMF, and the rest are saying, we are growing, or we are doing better than they even anticipated. That is the kind of legacy Akuffo has. All these things while restoring the allowance of the nursing and teacher trainees. And the allowances are coming. Restoring the allowances of Arabic teachers that was cancelled by John Dramani Mahama. Paid peacekeepers that were being owed over $33 million by the administration of John Mahama. All this while keeping our lights on. No doom so. While constructing over 10,000 kilometers of roads. The legacy of Akuffo, Kumasi International Airport. The legacy of Akuffo. Akuffo will be remembered for good. And all these things that NDC has promised the electorate, for which the electorate has gone to vote for NDC, we all know that all lie be lie. All lie be lie. All lie be lie. So you have seen the excuses that started coming. One excuse after the other. Ghanaians will soon see their smoothness level. Very soon, we would wish that we had not gone out to vote for John Dramani Mahama. A clueless party, a clueless set of people who are just coming back to power because they think that 8 years is up and they also have to come to the power, come and have their feel. May God help our homeland Ghana and make her great and strong. Thank you for watching this episode of The Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, share. See you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.